Hey pack members!
And today we're going to be making delicious microwave muffin. You'll need 4 tablespoons of flour,
4 tablespoons of caster sugar,
2 tablespoons of cocoa powder,
3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of baking soda,
3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 egg.
Now I'm going to put in my 4 tablespoons of flour. And here goes number 4.
Now for 4 tablespoons of caster sugar,
Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
and 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Now carefully pour in 3 tablespoons of milk.
Now half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Now eggs are dangerous, so make sure you ask a human to do it for you. And you can lick up some crumbs while they do that. Okay pups, I'll do that for you. But make sure you don't lick up any chocolate, because that is very bad for you dogs.
Now it's mixing time.
Now it's time to microwave it for 3 minutes. Make sure you get a human to do this one as well, because microwaves are also dangerous, just like eggs. Time to taste.
Can we have some?
I want some! Sorry puppies, this isn't for dogs, but you did a great job cooking! Thanks for watching pack members, and we'll see you in the next video.